Back to Panama Peg's live show. Today we're going to make chocolate gluten-free cake, muffin, whatever you want, okay? So here's the recipe in case you're wondering. It's a choco cake, chocolate cake, gluten-free, okay? So here we go. We're gonna do 3 cups of chocolate. We're going to use the chips because I'm too lazy to do my other thing. Oh, I forgot the thing. Bummer. I forgot the thing. Hang on. I'll be right back. The measuring cup. We need a measuring cup. If we're going to do this, we need to do the measuring cup. Okay, so 3/4 cups chocolate. 3/4. Here we go. 3/4. 3/4 chocolate. 3/4 chocolate. 3/4 chocolate. And we're going to melt this. Okay? 3/4 chocolate. And we're going to melt it. We're going to melt it. So here we go. This is the recipe. 2 eggs. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. 2 eggs. Da 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 da. Okay, and then we have a little bit of coconut oil. This is my coconut oil. 2 tablespoons. You could use butter, but I prefer to use the natural stuff. Coconut oil, okay, and then we have the 2 eggs which we already put, and then the 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of honey. We use really good honey here. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup is just about here. This is a really easy recipe. It takes 30 minutes to bake. That's really quick. We're going to do a little bit of honey. A little bit of honey. And then 2/3 cup of yogurt. We're going to put some yogurt in this. So we got the vanilla yogurt. You can use the Greek yogurt or any kind of yogurt that you like. I use the Bonlac because it happens to be in Panama. So 2/3. Here we go. 2/3 yogurt. Da, 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 da. And then we put a little bit of vanilla, 1/4 cup, 1/4 teaspoon. So we just do a little splash. This is the real vanilla all the way from Canada. A little bit of salt, baking soda. Without the baking soda, it doesn't rise, so we want to put a little bit of baking soda. A little bit of baking soda, and we're going to do 1/3 cup of the Hershey's chocolate, which is about 4 tablespoons. 4. Okay, et voila, you have your recipe. So here we're gonna do a little swooshing around. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. So this is what it looks like. You don't need an electric swoosher. You can just do it by hand, just like that. And then we're gonna put it in a plate with the heated chocolate, which we put in there. Et voila! That's what you get. Ta-da! So here you go. The recipe is all here. It's really easy to do. Log into my Jump Chef. You might get a surprise this week. I might interview another chef. Woohoo! And don't forget to subscribe to Panama Peg 11. So, let's do this. Who's gonna have a piece of this? Who's gonna have a piece of this? Whoa, it looks really yummy. Mmm. 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 So nice and moist. Mmm. So, we'll come back. Have a groovy week. Hope I see you next week. Who knows what I'll make? I might make something refreshing. I might make a drink or something. I don't know. We'll see. So long for now. Have a groovy Sunday. All the best. Woohoo!